I've got like 60 subscribers now. I want to thank you guys for that. It is crazy that you guys are watching that stuff like this. But look here. What? I'm gonna show you why I'm doing that. Part 10, I hope, right now. Okay, so there's like a pink tornado that happens inside the power steering pump. So I'm gonna try to suck that stuff out of there. It's all foamy and junk. Try to use this empty oil bottle to start a siphon into this pan. Of course, I don't know if it's gonna work. Let's find out. When that finishes, I'm gonna put some stop leak in there and see if that does anything. I doubt it, but maybe I can soften up some seals with it, so when I fix whatever's wrong, it don't blow something else out. Forgot to show you that. That one's okay. Busted the other one. Nothing there yet. Been there about 10-15 minutes maybe. Not a drop. And I also sucked out all that power steering fluid and put stop leak stuff in there. And then I went under there and I saw some drops. I wiped them off, but I don't see any new ones of that. And I also dumped in Blue Devil rear end snake oil. Expensive snake oil. But actually, because every time I fix something, I end up with something else. So, I don't even see any rear end, but I haven't been here that long for that. Rear main. Nothing under there right now. That's old. Dry. If that snake oil worked on the rear end, I mean, I know it's temporary, for sure. But what I really put it in there for was the conditioners and oils for all the rest of the seals. Knowing I gotta change that rear main. But I'm not getting any leaks now. I don't want to tempt it. Back. Hit it hard on the way home too. Runs fast. Kind of doesn't know when to shift yet, but everything's dry. I put it right back in the same place. There hasn't been a drop yet, and I kept saying rear end. It's the rear main that I put that snake oil in there. I know I gotta fix it. This is what car lots do. At least it ain't getting stuff on my driveway. But I wonder how long it'll last. It's hot now too. So I was going to take it around the block, punt around the block, but I can't get the headlights to come on. Still no leaks, but I didn't use that, or any of this. These are $9 a piece, I think. I don't know what that cost. $5. That was $10. This was 20. It's a return tool, and I got a $20 store credit. I think that might be enough to get some shocks to land on the front of this thing. Let's go talk to them and see what they say. So that's the old one. I compressed it and it's not even coming back out. That's a new one. I've been riding around on nothing but springs. One down, one to go. That's two. With the dimmer and everything in it. I'm not sure if it's bad. I blew the fuse getting it out, so I've got that in my pocket. So it's in there. Just mount behind that bracket. And I was gonna say, these shocks are bigger and better. And after all the turn-ins, I paid $22 for 2 shocks, this WD-40, and this hat. 22 bucks. Let's go get a light switch. Okay. Here's what I found out. See, now we're off. High, off, high. You've seen it. I think my low beams are out, plain and simple. Change that switch though. Well, it's about 9 o'clock and I'm gonna go pull some decals off with a rod at extra release. This thing I think is still leaking at the rear main half as much. I'm gonna change the oil in it. I need to do that again anyway. And dump some more devil in there and see what happens. If it don't, I know I gotta fix it. Just trying to buy some time. That's what we got to remove. And it's hard to do without my truck because we can get on top of it. That one goes all the way up.
It's Alliance Packaging.
Alliance Packaging.
Yeah, go to the back doors.
We gotta get those off too?
Yeah.
All right, those are one piece. All that black stripe and everything. He's getting where my truck will block it. That's what he's been doing off these ladders. But it's a little sketchy way on up there. And there he is, with his pride and joy in front of him. Here's the final result. I actually had an extra release decal on there prior, so that's why it looks like that. I guess I can bring this ladder around to him. Yep, bread and butter. Ta-da! Everything's going nuts. So Jesse's here. We just had a box of macaroni and cheese for lunch. And I ordered the switch, the high beam switch, the dimmer switch on the floor for that. I'm on near 75% sure that's it. But it won't be here till in the morning. I did get some antifreeze, but I can wait. I gotta fit it in anyway. I'm gonna go hang out with this baby for a little while.